Hey everyone, Linus here. Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the world of tech. We all love our laptops, they're indispensable in our daily lives. They're our windows to the world, our portable workhorses and our entertainment hubs. Whether you're working on a project, streaming your favorite show, or staying connected with loved ones, laptops are essential. But just like any piece of tech, they need some TLC to stay in tip-top shape. Regular cleaning and maintenance can make a huge difference. Neglecting maintenance can lead to a whole host of problems, from sluggish performance to overheating and even hardware failure. These issues can be frustrating and costly. Nobody wants a slow, glitchy, or unreliable laptop. It can disrupt your workflow and ruin your experience. That's why we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to cleaning and maintaining your beloved machine. We'll show you how to keep it running like new. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With a few simple steps, you can keep your laptop in great condition. We'll cover both software and hardware maintenance, breaking down each step in a way that even your grandma can understand. From updating your software to cleaning your hardware, we've got you covered. So grab your cleaning kit and let's get started. You'll need a few basic tools, but nothing too fancy. Think of it like this. Your laptop is like your car. Regular maintenance is key to longevity. You wouldn't drive your car for thousands of miles without ever changing the oil, would you? The same principle applies to your laptop. Regular maintenance ensures that your laptop runs smoothly, efficiently, and for as long as possible. It can save you time and money in the long run. Plus, a well-maintained laptop just feels more satisfying to use. It's faster, more reliable, and simply more enjoyable. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So let's dive in and make your laptop a clean, happy machine. Alright, let's start with the software side of things. Think of your laptop software like your digital home. Over time, it can get cluttered with unnecessary files, programs, and other digital junk. This digital clutter can slow down your laptop, eat up valuable storage space, and even pose security risks. First things first, let's tackle those unwanted programs. You know, the ones you installed ages ago and never use anymore? Yeah, those guys. Go through your program list and uninstall anything you don't need. This will free up storage space and prevent those programs from running in the background and slowing things down. Next up, let's clear out the cobwebs in your downloads folder. We've all been there, downloading files and then completely forgetting about them. Take a few minutes to go through your downloads folder and delete anything you don't need. You can also move important files to a dedicated folder or external storage device to keep things organized.
Now, let's move on to the physical aspect of laptop maintenance. This is a crucial step to ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the most important things you can do for your laptop's longevity is to keep its cooling system clean. A clean cooling system helps maintain optimal performance and prevents unexpected shutdowns. Laptops generate heat, and if that heat isn't properly dissipated, it can lead to overheating, performance throttling, and even permanent damage. Overheating can also cause your laptop to become uncomfortably hot to the touch. Over time, dust, dirt, and other debris can accumulate in your laptop's vents and fan, obstructing airflow and reducing cooling efficiency. This buildup can act like a blanket, trapping heat inside your laptop. To clean the cooling system, you'll need a can of compressed air and a microfiber cloth. These tools are essential for safely removing dust and debris without damaging your laptop. Power off your laptop and unplug it from the power source. This is a critical safety step to prevent any electrical damage or personal injury. Then, locate the air vents, which are usually on the sides or bottom of your laptop. Knowing the exact location of these vents will make the cleaning process more effective. Hold the can of compressed air upright and give it a few short bursts to clear any loose debris. Make sure to use short, controlled bursts to avoid damaging the internal components. Be careful not to shake the can or hold it at an angle, as this can spray liquid propellant onto your laptop's components. Liquid propellant can cause short circuits and other damage. Once you've cleared the vents, use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining dust or dirt. This final step ensures that your laptop's cooling system is as clean as possible, promoting better airflow and cooling efficiency.
Back on the software side, keeping your operating system and drivers up to date is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and security. Think of updates like tune-ups for your laptop. They often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and security patches that keep your laptop running smoothly and safely. To check for OS updates on Windows, go to Settings, then Update and Security, and finally, Windows Update. On macOS, go to System Preferences, and then Software Update. If updates are available, download and install them. It's generally a good idea to install updates as soon as possible to ensure that your laptop is protected from the latest threats. Drivers are software that allow your laptop's hardware components to communicate with the OS. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause a wide range of problems, from hardware malfunctions to system crashes. It's important to keep your drivers up to date to ensure that your hardware is running at its best.
Section 5. Battling bloatware, freeing your laptop from unwanted programs. Remember those unwanted programs we talked about earlier? Well, sometimes they come pre-installed on new laptops. These pre-installed programs are often referred to as bloatware, and they can be a real pain. They take up valuable storage space, slow down your laptop, and clutter your system with unnecessary notifications and pop-ups. The good news is that you can usually uninstall bloatware just like any other program. However, some manufacturers make it more difficult to remove certain programs. If you're having trouble uninstalling bloatware, you can try using a third-party uninstaller tool. These tools are designed to completely remove programs, including any leftover files and registry entries. Once you've removed any unwanted programs, you can further optimize your laptop's performance by managing your startup programs. Startup programs are programs that automatically launch when you start your computer. While some startup programs are essential, others can slow down your laptop's boot time and consume system resources unnecessarily.
Section 6. Storage optimization, making space for what matters. As you use your laptop, you accumulate files, programs, and other data. These can include documents, photos, videos, software, and even temporary files created by your operating system and applications. Over time, this can fill up your storage drive, leaving you with less space for your important files and potentially slowing down your laptop's performance. A full storage drive can also lead to system errors and crashes, making it difficult to work efficiently. Storage optimization is all about making the most of your laptop's storage space and keeping things running smoothly. By managing your files and applications effectively, you can ensure that your laptop remains fast and responsive. One of the easiest ways to free up storage space is to empty your recycle bin or trash. This simple action can recover a significant amount of space that was previously occupied by deleted files. And when you delete files, they're not actually permanently removed from your laptop. Instead, they're moved to the recycle bin or trash, where they continue to take up storage space until you manually empty it. Instead, they're moved to the recycle bin or trash, where they continue to take up storage space. This means that even though you think you've deleted a file, it still occupies valuable storage space on your drive. Emptying your recycle bin or trash regularly will free up space and prevent those deleted files from piling up. Make it a habit to check and empty your recycle bin at least once a week to keep your storage optimized. Another way to optimize your storage is to use cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These services offer a convenient way to store your files online, reducing the burden on your laptop's hard drive. Cloud storage services allow you to store your files online, freeing up space on your laptop's hard drive. This not only helps in managing your storage, but also provides a backup for your important files. You can access your files from any device with an internet connection, making it a convenient way to store and share files. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or another computer, your files are always within reach, ensuring you have what you need when you need it.
Section 7. Safeguarding your data, essential security measures. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to protect your laptop and data from security threats. Malware, viruses, and other online threats can compromise your privacy, steal your personal information, and even damage your laptop. Implementing essential security measures will help keep your data safe and secure. First and foremost, you need a reliable antivirus program. Antivirus software acts as a digital bodyguard, scanning your laptop for malicious software and preventing it from infecting your system. There are many free and paid antivirus programs available, so choose one that meets your needs and budget. In addition to antivirus software, it's also a good idea to use a firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier between your laptop and the internet, blocking any unauthorized access attempts. Most operating systems come with a built-in firewall, but you can also install a third-party firewall for added protection.
Section 8. The exterior matters. Physical cleaning for a pristine laptop. While we've covered a lot of software maintenance, let's not forget about the importance of keeping your laptop's exterior clean. Not only does a clean laptop look more presentable, but it also prevents dirt, dust, and grime from accumulating and potentially damaging your laptop's components. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from the power source. Then, use a slightly damp microfiber cloth to wipe down the exterior surfaces, including the lid, keyboard deck, and touchpad. Avoid using harsh cleaning agents or abrasive materials, as these can damage your laptop's finish. The keyboard can harbor a surprising amount of dirt, crumbs, and other debris. To clean the keyboard, use a can of compressed air to blow away any loose particles. You can also use a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to clean between the keys. Be sure to let the keyboard dry completely before powering on your laptop.